Hey everyone, this is Arun and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm back again with another video. So today in this video, I'm discussing about a document transmittal letter that I have created in Excel and I have created a professional template which we can edit and these all are automated. So I have created a sheet where we can fill out all the client details here, just like client name, then the name for which we are drafting that transmittal letter. Then this column is their address. Then this one is address 2. Then all these rows for email, then phone, then which first, and then this one is our date, and so on. We have a lot of columns till whatever the fields we need to fill up on here. So now once we created this once we have this data, so we can easily select the clients. Let's say I selected City of Vincent. So these will be automatically captured using formulas. So because if I have the data in that sheet, so this if you can see here now, because I don't have this data for level of 5 design, so it's not showing. I have currently City of Vincent. So this is the data currently I have. And the project name, let me just put the project name as well. So let's say I'm copying this one for City of Vincent. This is an example only. So I'm just, once I fill the data, as we can see here, all the data pertaining to that client will automatically gets appear here. Once I select the drop down here, and then there's nothing, we can just choose from these checkboxes. So just like disk, paper, currently I'm selecting PDF, then send via email, then reasons for issue, just like for approval. And here on the message part, we just put a manual remarks here. And then this one is our name. We can change it on the sheet. It will get automatically displayed as well. And then print size accordingly. So I just make it to A4 because I'm currently making as a PDF. Then these all are the drawings, the description out of here, and then the revisions we can put over here. And then we have the check boxes for transmitter as check below, incoming check. You can check accordingly according to your requirements. For example, for your use, for approval, whatever the checkbox is appropriate according to you, you can just check it and put your copies, the number here. And in this text box, you can put a image of signature, or maybe you can just type your name over it. And once you fill on the details, and then you can click on print button. Then on here, you can select the folder. I'm just selecting my desktop. And then your transmittal letter is automatically gets printed. This is a PDF format. You can see here, this is the PDF that is automatically gets generated, and it's full dynamic. So once I select another drop down, this will get changed accordingly. So you can send to the email by attaching that PDF, and that email you can send to a client. So this is how currently the document of transmittal letter is currently working. And if you need some customizations here on it, or you just like this Excel itself, you can work on it. And yeah, of course, I can uh, make it change according to your customizations. If you're having some customizations, or you can directly use this Excel as well. So I hope you like this letter of transmittal document. And if you require this Excel file, you can just directly reach me out over my email address and on over my WhatsApp, uh, which I will be shortly sharing in the description part of this video. So I hope you like this video, and if you have any questions or if you require any help regarding this one, you can definitely reach me out to for that one as well. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope we will be talking soon. So have a great day. Take care and bye.